In this quick guide video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of changing language on your Spotify app. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end, and let's get right into it. Now, with the recent updates of Spotify, the language changing section within the app of Spotify has been removed. So previously you would have a separate section of changing the language within the app. But however, that now has been removed and you cannot see any of these options which says change language. So in this case, I'm going to show you an alternative that you can try out and will help you to change your language on Spotify. So what you need to do is change the language of your entire phone, and the language of Spotify will also be changed. This is the only way that you can change the language for your Spotify also. So if you are okay with that, let me show you how you can change it. Open up the phone settings and find an option of language on your device. If you don't know where it is, you can also search it on the search bar. In my case, it's inside additional settings, language and input, and languages. Now through this section, you can just pick the language that you want to add into your Spotify as well and tap on OK. Now the language of your phone will be changed. Now you can head back to your Spotify. First, clear up your Spotify from your recent apps tab. And as you can see, the language now has been changed. In my case, because I've selected Spanish, the interface of Spotify has also been changed to Spanish. So this is the only way of changing the language on your Spotify app. But however, if you're using the desktop or the website of Spotify, you can easily change your language of Spotify with the help of Google Translate. But for the app of Spotify, this is the only method as of now. So I hope I could help you out. If this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Keep watching.